Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And yes, let's give you guys my full-blown lash extension experience, because if you guys didn't notice in my last few videos, I do have lashes on when I'm doing like my makeup, and that is because I did get lash extensions. I didn't want to talk about it right there and then because I was still trying them out. I wanted to see if I was loving it, if I can handle it, like if it's gonna last a very long time. So I'm gonna give you guys all of that today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys are interested in what my experience was with these lash extensions, then definitely keep on watching. So you guys see my lash extensions? Yeah, I got lash extensions. If you guys did not notice in my last few videos, I got lash extensions. I didn't mention because I did want to try it out, give it the whole experience, and give a chance for me to sit down and talk to you guys about how I feel, if I like them, if I don't like them, if I will do it again, if I recommend it. Like, that is what this video is for, is to give you guys my full on depth experience on it. Now, I was kind of nervous going into it because my eyes are very sensitive, and I have to be careful on what I put on my eyes, what I put around my eyes, because it's just my eyes are very sensitive. So I was super duper scared, and I was like, you know what, let's put my scariness aside and just do these extensions. So I have a friend here on Instagram, well, not here, on Instagram. Her name is Gaby, and she did my lashes. Thank you so much, girl. I loved them. They were bomb AF. So I definitely love the way she did my lashes. She is such a sweetheart. I will leave her Instagram down below if you guys are interested in doing lash extensions. She does live in Florida, because I am in Florida. But yeah, I'll leave her stuff linked down below so you guys can definitely check her out. Okay, so let's talk about after I got my lashes done. Now, in the beginning, when she first applied them, they were a little bit uncomfortable, just because, I mean, it was my first time having lash extensions. I mean, I put lashes here and there, but it was not something that I would use every single day. And just to have that on my eyes, I felt so weird. It was like, it felt so awkward having these lashes on my eyes, but it felt good the next day. Like, I woke up and I had lashes. I was like, oh my god, I don't even have to wear makeup, just because the lashes just bring your face all together. And it was just very nice. I definitely loved it. I love the lashes, waking up and the lashes were there. I definitely love that part about it. But yeah, I don't think I have any negative. If you are like very sensitive to like very strong glue, then definitely be careful on where you get your lashes done, because the glue of the lashes is very strong. It made my eyes very watery, just because the chemicals in it's very strong. So it kept watering my eyes. But other than that, that was like the only negative. But other than that, I love the lashes. I woke up every day like, oh my god, I love these lashes. They're so pretty. And yeah, I definitely love it. Talk to you guys about is that I would definitely recommend getting them, but I'm a type of person that once I do something, I try to learn how to do it, and I always try to find a way to find an alternative to saving money. So I went ahead and bought everything that I needed to do lash extensions at home. So that is exactly what I did. I went and I picked up lashes. I picked up the individual lashes, and this one came in a set. It came with the glue, and then it came with the lash remover. But to tell you the truth, those two products that come with the lashes, this is the Ardell dual lashes, individual lashes. I don't recommend the glue or the lash remover, because you know what, that really doesn't work. I tried it, it don't work. So I'm giving you guys a first hand on that. Like, it doesn't work at all. But I did like the lashes, and then I picked up the glue that she was using. I also picked up, and I got it in I got it on Amazon, and this is the Ardell lash for individual lash dart adhesive. It looks like this. I will try to leave a link down below. I did get it on Amazon. I think I paid like $7 to $8 for this glue, but this glue is so good because it dries black. It doesn't leave like that white residue on your lashes, so it makes it look more natural. So that is why I got this one, because I saw her use it and I was like, let me pick up that one in case I want to do it at home. So that is why I picked it up. And yeah, my lashes, the one that she did on me, those last me at least 3 weeks. They were very, very good, and I would definitely go back to her if I want to do another like full set. But I'm a type of person that I love more of a natural look, and I love the way she did mine. They were super beautiful. If you guys saw my other videos, you saw that I did have the lashes on, and they were beautiful. I love them. They're a little tad dramatic for me, but I would definitely do it if I was going out like to a vacation or something and I wanted a little bit more dramatic. Then I would definitely do it with her. But I wanted something on the more natural side, so I was like, if I'm gonna remove these, I'm gonna remove them and I'm gonna do something a little bit more natural for me, something that I will like. I mean, I love the way she did them, don't get me wrong, I love it, but it was just something that I was not used to. I'm kind of used to something a little bit more natural, on the natural side, because my eyes, I feel like they can't handle the dramatic lash look like some girls. I mean, some girls, I wish I had the courage to rock those dramatic lashes. Like, I wish I can do that, but I can't. I just feel so awkward and so uncomfortable. But I definitely love it on other girls. I definitely absolutely love it on other girls, but for me it wasn't working. So when I went to remove the lashes that she did on me, I tried using the glue that came with this. That did not work. That did not work at all. I was wasting my time. It took me like about 10 minutes trying to use that glue and it wasn't working. So I was like, you know what, I need to get some coconut oil. So I went and got coconut oil. I got this one I have from downstairs, and I just put it in a jar in this thing and kept it in my my beauty closet, just because I know that I am gonna be removing my lashes here and there. So I was like, let me just have my own separate coconut oil. So this is the best, and I recommend this to the fullest. Like, this is the best way to remove your eyelash extensions, because it's just the oil. As soon as you put the oil, you rub it together and they start falling apart. Like, this is the best part of removing your lashes, is this part right here. Feels so good. So yeah, so I removed the lashes after 3 weeks having the lashes that she put on me, and I went ahead and applied my own lashes. I went ahead and did my own. I was like, I can do this, I know I can. I did my own lashes. I used the glue. Guys, it was just so easy. It was easy. I thought, I was so scared that I was gonna poke my eye out and all that stuff, but everything came out fine. I got a mirror that it was really close to my face, and I just love it. I did my own lashes, if you guys can see. These are my lashes that I did, and I love it. It's on the natural side. It's something that I like, and it's wearable. I wake up and I got lashes on. Like, it's just the best thing ever. So if you guys are thinking about it, I think go ahead, try it out. It doesn't hurt to try things out and give it a chance. I gave it a chance. I was super duper scared. Believe me when I say I was scared, but everything came out fine. I was loving it, and now I'm obsessed. Like, once I'm done with these lashes, remove them, boom, and put another pair of lashes. Like, I'm just in it. Like, I'm in it to win it. I'm definitely in it to win it. I love the lashes. Waking up, having lashes on my face, it just makes everything feel so much better. It definitely does. So I absolutely love it. If you guys want to see how I apply on my lashes and what lashes I use on my eyes, let me know down below if you want to see that. Today's video is only talking about my experience. I hope you guys get a little bit of an idea. I will leave the stuff right here down below if you guys are interested in picking it up and trying it out. I will leave it link down below for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little talk through experience of my lash extensions. And yeah, if you guys want to see more, definitely give this video a big old thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, my loves.